pop star, a youth icon, a superstar. She's a girl next door. She poses for the camera and for her fans. People loves her, but she's not what she shows to the world. She came to this world to learn our ways, to blend in, and ultimately, when the time comes, take over. She will seduce, she will kill, and she will not be alone that day. She's anything but from this world.
So this was my take on Bollywood vs Hollywood challenge for NYX Face Awards India Top 6. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's jump right into the tutorial. First, I'm priming my face for a clear canvas. Then I'm starting my makeup with my eyes today. And for that, first I'm taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade called Chocolate to define my eyebrows. I'm just following the natural shape and filling the gaps. Just to give my brows a clear shape, I'm applying concealer around the edges and blending that out. For a perfect classic Bollywood sultry smoky eye, I'm applying skin tape so that my lines can be on point. Then, with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade called White Pearl, I'm going to prime my eyes. As the name suggests, it has a beautiful pearly sheen as you can see. Then, I'm applying NYX Gel Eyeliner in the shade called Jet Black and blending it with my fingers. I just love this product. Then, setting that with a matte black eyeshadow, applying a matte brown eyeshadow as my transition color. Blending everything thoroughly so that there's no harsh line. Then I'm taking this shade from my NYX Dreamcatcher palette and applying it on my brow bone as highlight. Just to add more drama, I'm applying this shimmery black shade from my NYX Avant Pop palette and packing that on my lids. To create that perfect wing, I'm using NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in black shade. This liner is so easy to work with. Your wing cannot go wrong with this one. Now it's time to take off the tape. And voila, my wing is sharp enough to kill. Then I'm taking my NYX Full Throttle eyeshadow stick in the shade called Night Walker and applying it on my waterline. Love this shade. Then I'm taking this purple shade from that same Avant Pop palette and smoking it out with a small brush. Then I'm applying this silver shade in the inner corner of my eye just to give it a nice pop. And for the maximum color payoff, I have dampened my brush with NYX setting spray. We need more drama, and for that, glitter is a perfect solution. I'm applying silver glitters on my lower lash line, then taking the NYX glitter primer and applying it on my inner corner and sticking these chunky glitters. We are going to apply falsies, so for that we need to prepare our lashes with NYX Propel My Eyes mascara. And then the lashes, which I failed to do in first 2 attempts. As you can see, I have never ever applied them on camera, so I was struggling. Now finally they are on. Don't worry about the glue, it will become transparent once it's dry. Applying some orange color corrector to hide my dark circles under my eyes. Then I'm taking NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat liquid foundation in the shade Nude and applying it. This one gives full coverage and a matte finish, which is perfect for my oily skin. Blending everything with my blending sponge, showing some love to my neck as well. I'm taking NYX Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo for concealing, highlighting and contouring. First, I'm applying the light shade as concealer and highlighter and blending that out. Sorry for that weird face, you know, I was concentrating. Now I'm applying the dark shade for my contouring and blending that too. For nose, I'm using my NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Universal and applying the dark shade. Done with the contouring and highlighting, setting the highlighted area with some loose powder and contoured area with some bronzer. Then taking the NYX HD blush in the shade called Summer. Look at the color, guys, it's just so beautiful. Then for the highlight, I'm taking this shade from the NYX Strobe of Genius palette and applying it on the high points of my face. Ooh, I'm glowing. For the lips, first I took NYX Liquid Lip Suede in Respect the Pink, but it was not complementing the look, so then I took the shade called Life's a Beach and applied that. For more depth, I used my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade called Morocco and applying that just in the inner corner of my lips. Then taking the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Banana Split and applying on the middle of my lips. Just to finish it off, I'm applying NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, and with that my glam look is complete. Hey Zombibs! So for my alien look, first I'm prepping my skin with NYX Shine Killer Primer, and as you can see I squeezed way too much of product and that was a mess. Blocking my brows with glue and setting that with powder. Then taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk and lining the area where I'm going to paint it white. Then with the NYX foundation brush, I'm applying the white cream color on the high points of my face. This will give an illusion of high cheekbones. Blending that out with my sponge. Setting that with some powder. For the rest of my face, I'm applying NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation. Now the eyes. I'm going to create this dramatic eye look inspired by famous Hollywood movie Black Swan. It's one of my favorite. For the base, I'm using NYX Eyeshadow Primer, the same one which I use for my glam look. Then taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade called Gold and applying it on my lid. Setting that with some gold eyeshadow. Applying a copper shade as my transition color. Then for the rest of the area, I'm blocking it out with some black eyeshadow. For me, Hollywood is all about special effects makeup, sci-fi and fantasy movies. The look is actually inspired by movies like Avatar, Predator and Black Swan. The level of SFX makeup they have shown in these movies gave me many sleepless nights by thinking about the artists and their imagination behind the characters. I'm applying some gold glitter on the lid for more drama. Apply some blue pigment on the brow bone. Now some gold and red chunky glitters on the black area. Though I'm an alien, but I chose to work with warm colors and added some Bollywood touch like bindi and nut. Adding some rhinestones and pearls. Then with the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, I'm creating this dramatic winged eye. I better call it a mutated eye look because as you can see, I went crazy with the wings. Applying that same gold jumbo pencil in my waterline. Prepping my lashes with the NYX Propel My Eyes for a pair of glittery lashes, which I will reveal in a bit. Now for the contouring, I'm applying this cool tone brown matte eyeshadow and drawing a curved shape on my cheekbone, blending the harsh edges. For nose, I'm not at all trying to make it look smaller. In fact, I'm doing the exact opposite for that antler nose shape. Then again I just added rhinestones at the bottom wings just to add a character to my eyes. Now the most fun part, I'm incorporating these fiber optical wires in my look which I got from a toy store. Please be careful when you're working with such material. I stuck them with skin tape on the forehead. I'm sticking the ends with skin adhesive. Then I'm sticking these petals which I made with liquid latex, paper and metallic colors. Made smaller petals with paper as well and painted them with the same colors. Sorry I couldn't add the whole prep work, then this video would be way longer than a movie. But I tried to show the most important steps of my prep work. The headpiece is almost complete and I just love the way it looks. Now for the chest piece, I'm sticking those same fiber optical wires with spirit gum. To create a skin-like texture, I'm covering them with tissue paper and liquid latex. Applying some powder. Painting my body with water activated black, purple, gold and copper metallic body paints. Really like the way it looks, sticking rhinestones and pearls in different shapes and colors. I want them to look like a scaled skin, so I'm applying them in a scattered way. For the lips, I'm applying that same NYX Jumbo pencil in gold shade and applying a black cream paint in the middle of my lips for that grungy effect. Painting my hands black. Do you like my long manicure nails? Aren't they pretty? I made them with paper, glue and acrylic colors. For my dreadlocks, I used plastic pipe and glued them together. Just to make them secure, later I tied them together with cable ties. And with that, my alien look is complete. If you like my video, then please vote for me. I will link everything down below. You can vote for me 3 times a day for every day till June 7th. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I worked really hard for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.